Hi guys, so for today's activity, we are going to be using the same 6 words that we have used for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So on Tuesday, you guys did the definitions. On Wednesday, you did paragraphs, and on Thursday, you did drawings for those words. Today, I'm going to have you do a short little video clip of you speaking using the word in a sentence. It is very similar to the paragraph. However, using it in a sentence and actually verbally saying the word helps you guys better understand it, and it helps deeply ingrain it into the mind. So again, using the same 6 words, I want you to film a video of yourself using the words in a sentence. Use each word in its own sentence and make sure the sentence is different than the paragraph that you wrote for Wednesday. So now I'm going to give you a little example. I'm going to make my screen bigger so that way this is what your guys's would look like. So my sentence is, until more information is known, the police will not reveal details about the altercation between the 2 suspects. So that would be a representation of a good sentence to use. It uses the word altercation in its correct form in a sentence, and it is different than what I used for my paragraph. So that is what I'm looking for from you guys for today's assignment. And just a reminder that next week it's going to be the same exact assignments for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. However, it's going to be a different set of 6 words, all still from chapter 12. I just spaced it out like this so that way you guys wouldn't be overwhelmed with trying to do this for 12 words at once. So I split it up so that way it was a little easier for you guys and wouldn't take so much time and energy for you to do it. But next week it's going to be the same, just different words. However, I will film another video for you guys explaining it further in case there are any more confusions with that. That is all for this week. I will see you again next week for the other set of 6 words. Have a good one.